Welcome to Techno English, learning English through science. In this video, we will talk about the basic difference between a generator and a motor and how a generator can be converted into the motor or how a motor can be converted into a generator. Electricity serves as the base of this modern era. Our industrial life, our commercial life, our household based on electricity. And electricity is produced in a conventional power plant or a hydropower plant or through solar panels. So if we talk about the solar panels, sunlight is converted into electricity and we consume that electricity. So how a generator works and how a motor works. First we have to define these things, see how a generator works. On that principle we define, and then we will convert a generator into our motor. So first we will discuss about what's the basic difference between generator and a motor. In case of generator, we need three things to produce electricity or to produce EMF. Number one, we need to have magnetic field, we need to have conductors, and we need to have motion between these two. Provide motion to our conductors and our magnetic field is constant. But if we want to convert our generator into a motor, then we need to have a magnetic field, a conductor, and we have to provide the current to that conductor. So we have two fields. Because of the two fields, the rotating magnetic field will create, and that's why our motor will start rotating. So that's the very basic difference between generator and motor. A generator can be converted into the motor, a motor can be converted into a generator. So in this case we have a generator and we have a prime mover, and we have connected an LED to output of the generator. You see that the generator is producing enough EMF or electricity to light that LED. So we know that our generator has already a magnetic field or permanent magnets around its surrounding or its armature, and it has field windings on its rotor. So we will actually provide the motion to the conductor, a relative motion of conductor to the magnetic field, and on the principle of the generation we just studied or we just discussed, it will produce electricity to light that LED. So now let's convert the same generator into a motor. We will supply the current to this rotor conductor. So we will convert this generator to the motor, and we will see that it will try to drive its prime mover. Now we will convert our generator into the motor, and now we have connected a battery on the output terminals that was supposed to be the output terminals in the generator case, and now the input terminals in the motor case. Now the motor will try to drive the prime mover. That's all for this introductory video. In next video sessions we will further explore these things in more details. So if you have any question or if you like the video, please comment below. Please subscribe our channel and please share it as maximum as possible, and please hit the bell icon.